problems. Okay, all partial derivatives. If u is a function of x y, that is x square plus y square divided by x plus y, then prove that del u by del x minus del u by del y whole square is same as 4 times 1 minus del u by del x minus del u by del y. Verify this for this function. So given to you, u is a function of x and y. That means u also short symbol. That is x square plus y square divided by x plus y. Okay, so I want del u by del x. So partial differentiate with respect to x first of all and then y. So del u by del x. So del x of this term x square plus y square divided by x plus y. Okay. So here both x contains here also, here also. So quotient law, you know, x plus y whole square u square. This x plus y same. Derivative of this with respect to x square 2x y square 0 minus now x square plus y square same. Derivative of x plus y, x will be 1, y will be 0. Derivative. What it means? Derivatives. Same rules of derivatives. Simplify. X plus y whole square. Open the bracket. 2x square plus 2xy minus x square and minus y square. Open the bracket. So total now 2x square minus x square. This is 2xy minus y square divided by x plus y whole square. This is your del u by del x. Okay. This is your del u with respect to x. Now respect to y. Respect to y. So now partial differentiate u with respect to y now. So del u by del y with respect to y. So del y of this term okay. So respect to y, again quotient law, both numerator and denominator contains y variable. So again quotient law, x plus y whole square, this x plus y same. Derivative of this now with respect to y. So respect to y, x will be 0 twice y minus this x square plus y square same. Derivative of 1 plus y, x plus y, x is 0, y will be 1. Open the bracket, x into 2x, 2xy plus 2y square minus x square minus y square divided by x plus y. So this total now 2x square minus y square plus twice xy minus x square divided by x plus y whole square. Okay, so this is del u by del y. This is del u by del y and this is del u by del x. Okay, both values we know now. Simplify left side and right side, both will be equal. So I first take left side. So what is left side? Del u by del x minus del u by del y whole square replace this one, x square plus 2xy minus y square divided by x plus y whole square minus del u by del y, this y square plus 2xy minus x square divided by x plus y whole square and again whole square bracket. Simplify. So first okay, LCM same, x plus y whole square same, this minus this, x square plus 2xy minus y square minus, open the bracket directly, whole square. So what we see, 2xy and 2xy will be cancelled. Okay, x square plus x square, 2x square minus y square minus y square, 2y square divided by x plus y whole square and again there is a whole square. So 2 is common, means 2 square 4 outside, remaining in the bracket x square minus y square has 2 factors, x plus y 1 factor, x minus y second factor, x plus y whole square and already then bracket whole square there, right? X plus y cancel. So what we get here? So this is 4 times x minus y upon x plus y whole square. This is your left hand side. This is okay, left hand. Whole square. Now right side, simplify. This one is same. Now RHS, what is RHS? 4 times 1 minus del u by del x minus del u by del y. This is your right side. This is same as 4 times 1 minus a, I take common, that is del u by del x plus del u by del y, their addition. So 4 times 1 minus their addition. In the left side their subtraction, now their addition. So x square plus 2xy minus y square upon x plus y whole square plus y square plus twice xy minus x square divided by x plus y whole square. So their addition from this definition. So 4 times 1 minus, continue, we solve first bracket. So again LCM, x plus y whole square is LCM. Now their addition, x square plus 2xy minus y square plus y square plus 2xy minus x square, total their addition. So what do you see here? X square cancel, y square cancel. So 4 times, what is remaining here? 1 minus 2xy plus 2xy, 4xy divided by x plus y whole square. Again solve further, 4 into, now LCM, x plus y whole square, LCM, x plus y whole square here, whole square means x square plus y square plus 2xy. I also expand, same step, minus 4xy okay. This is same as 4 times x square plus y square, 2xy minus 4xy minus 2xy divided by x plus y whole square. Now this is, see, numerator is x minus y whole square, already the denominator x plus y whole square. Okay, x square y square minus y square. Same? Yes. Whole square common. So 4 times x minus y upon x plus y bracket whole square. This is your second right side. Okay. So left side already we know it is okay. 4 times x minus y whole square, x minus y upon x plus y total bracket whole square and this. Okay. So from 1 and 2 equal from question number 1 and 2. What is it? Left side equals to right side. So hence proof this big problem. Okay, 6 mark question. Second problem. If u equals to e raised to power x plus y plus z divided by e raised to power x plus e raised to power y plus e raised to power z, then show that ux plus uy plus uz will be 2u. Okay, so question is u equals to e raised to power x plus y plus z divided by e raised to power x plus e raised to power y plus e raised to power z. Okay? So I want del u by del x. Okay, so directly difference is a big problem. Okay, this is a quotient law and e raised to power e raised to power. Okay, so this big problem. Okay, we must simplify by taking log both sides. Okay. We first simplify and then we can easily differentiate. So log of u, also log of this. So by log rule, okay, log of this numerator minus log of denominator. Okay, so log of e raised to power this comes to here x plus y plus z, and log e this same, and log e is 1, so this will be okay. So log of u will be equals to x plus y plus z minus log of e raised to power x plus e raised to power y plus e raised to power z. Okay, so this is now simplified. And now we differentiate respect to x, respect to y, and respect to z. So partial differentiate with respect to x first of all. Respect to x, log u 1 upon u, log of x 1 upon x. First of all, standard formula log u 1 by u, but respect to x, therefore del u by del x must be attached. Respect to x is 1, y will be 0, z will be 0. Again log of means 1 upon, first of all, standard formula log of x 1 by x into derivative of this variable e raised to power x, e raised to power x. This will be 0, this will be 0. Respect to x, y and z are constant function. Okay, so this will be 1 minus e raised to power x upon e raised to power x, e raised to power y, and e raised to power z. Okay, so this is respect to x, partial derivative. Now respect to y, same technique, partial differentiate with respect to y, same respect to x. So log of u 1 upon u, first of all, respect to y, that's why del u by del y will be attached. Right side respect to y, x0, z0, y1, log of x again 1 upon, and e raised to power y, e raised to power y. Others are 0, e raised to power x 0, e raised to power I will be 0. So this will be your 1 minus e raised to power y upon e raised to power x, e raised to power y, and e raised to power z. Okay, this second one. This first, this second, now third. Partial differentiate with respect to z now. Respect to z then again. So 1 upon u, del u by del z now respect to z. Right side x0, y0, z1 log of 1 upon, and from bracket e raised to power z only, e raised to power x 0, e raised to power y 0. Okay. So this will be 1 minus e raised to power z upon e raised to power x plus e raised to power y plus e raised to power z. Okay, this 3 respect to. Now adding 1 to 3. Adding equations 1, 2, and 3. So what is left side away? 1 upon u, del u by del x, 1 upon u, del u by del y, 1 upon u, del u by del z. Okay, adding 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. And other 3 terms are, we have seen this common, e raised to power x, e raised to power y plus e raised to power z common. In the first, e raised to power x. In the second, e raised to power y. In the third, e raised to power z. This cancel. That means 3 minus 1 will be 2. Okay, so multiply u now. Multiply by u right side. So we get this is short symbol is ux, this is uy, and this is uz. So u right side 2 times u. Okay, hence proof.